Good morning everybody. So I just want to do a quick video here because I've been away for a while, and I want to explain the reason why I've been away is because we've been testing on TikTok Shop, and I just want to go through my first week's results, just quickly explain how you join, because I'm going to be doing a full playlist and showing you my results week after week, little tricks that we find to make better videos, and hopefully build up a community around this. So if you want to join TikTok Shop, first of all you want to be going here to shop.tiktok.com, and you want to either log in or get started, and then you'll be brought to a page like this. I'm from the UK, so we just enter, and then what you're prompted to do is TikTok Shop wants 5,000 followers for you to be ready to join. But you can actually join, as you can see, my shop, I started with no followers. We're at 33 now, but as long as you've got something like a passport and something like with your name and your address on, like a utility bill, I had a medical card, you can sign up to TikTok Shop. You'll go through all the just normal signing up for what you do for any website, and then you'll have to take a picture of yourself holding your passport. You'll have to take a picture of your passport, and then you'll have to take a picture of your utility bill. Once you've done all these, it'll say here, register your business, blah blah blah, and getting started with TikTok. And then it took about 2 hours, I was done, and then bump. So I'm just going to get my phone out now, I'll mirror it with the screen, and I'll show you my first week's results. Okay. So here we go. Alright then, let's go to TikTok. Let's go to TikTok Shop. So as you can see, in the first 7 days, we've only made £63 so far. Here's the product view, so let's go through. And here's what we've done. We've sold 21 items. We've got £63 commission. Now, we haven't gone viral. As you can see, there's one product that sold all of it, which is the Celtic sea salt. We've done a couple of other videos. A 360 degree rotatable phone. I took that out of my shop because it became unavailable. We've had 50,000 views, 21 items sold, and as you can see, it's these videos here, what's responsible for it all. Let's go to view all. There you go. As you can see, I think my best video did about 5,500 views, but even that one didn't sell most of it. Here's one, 241 views, 1 item sold. So you don't even need to go viral with TikTok Shop to make a bit of money, but I'm only testing right now. And a good thing about TikTok Shop is as well, if I can just move this out of the way, I'll show you. You're actually on probation for 30 days when you first join, but then after 30 days is up, you can link 4 other accounts to your main account. So if you imagine you want to start something in the fitness, you want to start something in home DIY, you want to start something in health, and you want to start something else, and you can niche down on each account. And then if you imagine you've got 5 accounts you'll have all together, if you go viral on 4 of them accounts all linked back to this one account, can you imagine the money that you can start making on TikTok Shop then, guys? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But that's just a quick video today. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name's David. Please subscribe, and I'm going to start making more of these videos. If you've got any questions, comment below, and let's smash this, eh? Cheers everyone.